Hello students, welcome back to another video of Vishi's Academy. In this video, we shall discuss the story Let's Save the Lake. Before starting the story, I request you to watch the video till the end, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates of the upcoming videos. Now, let's start the story. It was during the time of the holidays when children visit their grandparents' house. Gautam and Shrishti went to their grandma's house. Grandma hugged each child and asked, "How do you want to spend your time here?" Gautam said, "I want to go fishing with Hari like I did last year." Next morning, Uncle took Hari, the gardener, and the children to the lake in his jeep. Hari and Gautam ran to the bank of the lake, but Shrishti was enjoying the beauty of nature. And suddenly, she saw a dark, ugly building spouting black smoke a little further down the bank. Before she could reach the building, she saw a large pipe opening into the lake. Dark liquid and dirty water with an unpleasant smell silently flowed off this pipe into the lake. On the bank, right next to the opening of the pipe, lay a fish, dead. She called Hari and Gautam. Hari shook his head sadly and said, "I don't think we should fish here anymore. Water from the pipeline is pouring into the lake and poisoning the fish. They are not fit to be eaten." The three of them ran back home to their uncle to tell him about it. When uncle about the said situation, he got angry and upset. He called the government officer to examine the spot at once and take a water sample from the lake for testing. After testing, the government asked the factory owner to set up a chemical treatment plant to make the industrial waste less harmful before dumping it in the lake. Now the children had to leave in few days, so this time they could not enjoy fishing. In the next winter holidays, the children again went to their grandma's house, and there they went to the lake where they had seen the dead fish a year ago. Shrishti found clean and odorless water flowing out of the pipe. She felt wonderful to have helped save the lake. So students, I hope you liked the story. Thank you. Have a nice day.